Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing. And don't worry, you don't need to upload these videos on TikTok. You don't even need to make these videos by yourself. And this method is 100% free. And because I know that most of you are beginners, I'm going to show you step by step how to do everything. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. So what you can do is you can simply come here on YouTube and here in search bar you can type TikTok space and then TikTok A. And here you can see most search terms on TikTok A. And then you can search TikTok B. And here you can see most search terms on TikTok B. Then go C, D, E, and so on and so on. And you can go through these searches. So for example, let me just find one of these. Okay, TikTok beauty hacks. This looks like an interesting topic that has potential. And okay, here you can see some of these videos are getting millions and millions of views. So let me just go back here, for example. Here you can see 1.2 million views, 4 million views, 497,000 views, and so on and so on. So this means that this actually has a potential. So what you can do is you can also go on TikTok and just copy this, okay, Control C, and here in search bar you can search beauty hacks and then click enter to search to see are there any potential here. Here you can see some of these videos are getting millions of views, 1.3 million views, 24 million views, 20 million views. Let's just scroll, 32 million views. So this topic actually has the potential. Now this is really important, so pay close attention. When you are researching some topic, if you cannot find at least 5 videos in that topic on TikTok that has more than 1 million views, that means that topic, that niche is not that good because there is not that many audience and there is not that many good products in that niche, which means you cannot make that much money. So you must find at least 5 videos in that niche that has more than 1 million views. And here you can see some of these videos are getting more than 20 million views, which means this actually has a potential. So let me just go back on YouTube and just check something. I will just go through these videos. Okay, I will just choose this video here. So I will just click here and I will pause this, scroll here, show more. Okay, here you can see this is Amazon affiliate link. And this video got 142,000 views in less than a month. And I'm guessing that this girl here is making good money with Amazon affiliate marketing because as you can see here, she has an affiliate link. So let me just go back on TikTok to check some other girls. Let's just say this girl here. So let's just click here to open her profile, her TikTok profile to check it out. Okay, she has a link in the bio. So I'll just click here, click open anyway, and give it a few seconds. My internet is a bit slow, unfortunately. Okay, this is actually an affiliate link, as you can see here. And let me just scroll down on the bottom to check it out in any case, just to be sure. Okay, affiliate program. They have an affiliate program. Let's just open this in new tab. Okay, affiliate commission is 20%. And let me just go back here just to see. Okay, and this product is actually costing $250. And this girl here, she will make 20% for every sale, which means she will make $50 for every sale that she make. And if she make, let's just say 100 sales every month, that is $5,000 every month with affiliate marketing. That is how powerful this method is. So what you need to do, you actually need to make a compilation of these videos here. So what you need to do, you actually need to copy this link here. You don't want to copy this link here. No, you don't want to copy that link. You actually wish to copy this one here. And what you need to do, you need to go on this website, Snaptick, and you need to paste that link here. Click download, give it a few seconds to actually process this, and then click here, download server 1. Give it a few seconds to download this video and download this video to your desktop. And then simply go back here on TikTok and download 5, 10, 20, 50 of these videos so you can make a compilation video. Okay, when you find your niche and you research your niche, next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Clickbank. And because we are talking about beauty, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness and then click here on beauty to find beauty related products here on Clickbank that I can promote. So let's just say this product here, Derma Prime. So I've just opened this in a new tab to check their sales page. Okay, 5 easy tips and tricks. That is always a good opening. So this looks like a good page, sales page, and I can actually use some of these things. So now when I have my product, next thing you need to do, you actually need to make a compilation from the videos that you downloaded from TikTok. If you can use one of those video editors, great. That is by far best option. And I would actually recommend DaVinci Resolution 18. But if you are just beginner, maybe easiest option is to actually go on Canva and register on a free account on Canva. And you need to choose a video format, 1920 with 1080, and you will get a right format. And you need to upload those videos here on Canva that you downloaded from TikTok. So let me just go here on videos. And these are the videos. So what you need to do, you simply need to drag those videos here. Okay, and let me just pause this. Okay, and I will just drag this here and I will add another video, just drag it here, and that's it. I added another video. And you need to add as many videos as you can, 10, 20, 50 videos to make a compilation. Now this is also another important part, so pay close attention. What you need to do, you need to click here on elements and you need to choose, let's just say this square box, and I will just make it like this, okay? And I will just make this shorter, like this, move it here. And I need to add call to action, so I will actually go back on their sales page and I'm going to scroll here and I will simply copy this, Control C, and I will actually choose here text style. So let me just choose one of these text styles. Let's just say this one here, for example, and I will delete this. And here I will paste my text and I will actually make this wider, just like this. Okay. So let me just make this wider. And I will add here link in description. Okay, link in description, and I will actually make this bold. Okay, and I will make this center like this, and I will actually move this here and change the color of this box to be black. Okay, and now I have a call to action in my video. And after you add all of the videos that you wish, 5, 10, 20 videos, 50 videos, doesn't matter. All you have to do, just click here on share and then just click here on download, choose MP4 format, click here download and download this video to your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to upload this compilation on your YouTube channel. Now I will not show you how to upload videos on YouTube because it is really simple, but pay close attention, this is important. What you need to do, you actually need to do exactly the same thing like this girl did. Here you can see in the title, she added TikTok beauty hacks. That is your main keyword and you need to add that in your title. And she added here really weird. You need to add something like that just to draw people's attention. And you need to add something like this, some interesting thumbnail, just like this as she did. And then also in the first line, she did exactly the same thing. TikTok beauty hacks. You need to add your main keyword in the first line. And here you can see she added her social media. You don't need that. But she also added her Amazon affiliate link. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to add your, in this case, Clickbank affiliate link in the description of your video. And then you need to add some tags. Now tags are not that important anymore on YouTube, but you should add some tags related to your video. TikTok beauty hacks, TikTok beauty tips, and so on and so on. And as you saw, there is lots and lots of beauty hacks and beauty tips on TikTok, and you can actually make compilation of those videos every day. And you need to upload those videos every day. And as you can see, this girl got 142,000 views in less than a month. And I'm guessing that she probably made at least 20 or 30 sales in this 1 month, in this less than 30 days. So you can actually make good money by making TikTok compilations and uploading those videos every day on YouTube. So this is how you make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.